Okay, let's unpack this. Heavy rain starts coming down. Is your home, maybe your business, safe and dry? That's really the core question we're tackling today. We're doing a deep dive into something pretty fundamental but maybe overlooked. Concrete drainage systems. Our mission really is to get why these systems are so helpful and where they're actually used, especially in places like Langley. And we've looked at some great insights. Sources like Pacific Blue Mechanical helped guide us here.
Yeah, and what's really fascinating, I think, is how essential these things are. Foundational, like you said. It's not just, pushing water somewhere else. It's smart management, water management. And that really makes a huge difference for your property, long-term, value, safety, all of it.
Right, so let's strip it down a bit. What are we talking about? Concrete drainage systems. Are they just pipes?
Well, yes and no. They're specially designed structures, yes. Made from concrete, could be pipes, could be channels, basins hidden away, all engineered basically to collect water, unwanted water, and move it away from buildings, away from land where it could cause trouble. Think of them like dedicated pathways for water, super smart gutters for the ground, maybe.
Okay, ground gutters, I like that. Makes sense.
Exactly. And they're not all the same. They come in different types, right, depending on the job. Our sources, like Pacific Blue, they mentioned several key ones. You hear about stormwater drains.
Yeah, those sound important for big rain.
Definitely. Crucial for handling, large amounts of rain in towns and cities. And you've got things like French drains. Those are pretty clever, actually. It's basically a trench filled with gravel, and there's a perforated pipe inside. The idea is to capture water underground, redirect it before it even gets near your foundation.
So it tackles the problem earlier.
Precisely. And then there are, channel drains you see in paved areas, driveways, patios, and catch basins.
Those are the grates.
The lowest by the curb.
That's them. Often got that graded opening. And inside, there's usually a sump, like a dip, to trap leaves and debris. Stops clogs further down the line. So each type has a specific role in keeping water moving correctly.
Okay, understanding the different types helps a lot. So let's get to the why. Why do we need these? Why is managing this water flow such a big deal? I mean, a little water seems okay, right?
Well, it seems okay until it isn't. Without these systems, water, it can be relentless, silent almost, and it causes major problems. That's where the benefits really shine, and frankly, where they save you from hidden costs down the road.
What kind of problems are we talking about?
Think about structural damage, water getting into foundations, causing cracks, weakening the whole building. Costly basement flooding is a big one. Ruined possessions, mold. It's a nightmare. Then there's soil erosion, washing away your expensive landscaping, destabilizing slopes, and even pests. Mosquitoes love standing water, so poor drainage can literally invite them in.
Well, yeah, and it's not just fixing immediate damage. Think bigger picture. Good drainage protects your property value. Studies in climates, similar to Langley show that well-drained properties, they often sell for more. Sometimes you might even see lower home insurance premiums because the flood risk is demonstrably lower. It's about protecting your entire investment.
Okay, so it goes way beyond just avoiding a few puddles. It's structural integrity, value, even health. So let's bring it home. For people right here, say, in Langley, where do these systems actually show up in our daily lives?
Oh, they're all around us in Langley, really integrated into the community, tailored to local needs. For homes, especially with some of the slopes we have, you'll definitely find those French drains. They stop lawns getting waterlogged, protect basements from groundwater, which can be an issue with different soil types around here.
Right, makes sense for houses. What about bigger places?
Yeah, for larger commercial spots. Big stores, industrial parks, they rely heavily on stormwater drains. Think about those huge parking lots, massive roofs. They need systems that can handle a lot of runoff, especially during our rainy seasons. And then, like we said, catch basins. They are everywhere, along roads and parks. They stop the streets and paths from flooding, keep things safe and usable. They're kind of the unsung heroes, keeping the community running smoothly when it pours.
It's really interesting how they're just woven into the infrastructure, doing these critical jobs.
Yeah.
So, given how important they are, what's special about concrete? Why is that the go-to material? What are the big advantages?
Concrete really stands out based on what our sources highlight. First off, durability. It's unmatched. It's incredibly strong. It resists heavy loads, ground shifting slightly, the constant wear of water flowing through. These systems can literally last for decades without falling apart.
Decades. Wow. That's impressive.
It is. And that strength leads to the next point, low maintenance. Once they're installed properly, they just work year after year. Minimal fuss, minimal upkeep needed, which homeowners and property managers love, obviously.
Less work, always good.
Definitely. And finally, think about the cost. While maybe there's an upfront investment, concrete systems are incredibly cost-effective over the long haul. Because they last so long and rarely need major repairs or full replacement, they end up saving you significant money over time. It's a smart, strategic investment against potentially huge water damage costs.
Yeah, that makes perfect sense.
Yeah.
So this deep dive really shows concrete drainage isn't just about pipes and grates. It's fundamental, protecting our buildings, keeping things safe, and actually saving us money in the long run. It's smart design, working quietly behind the scenes or under the ground.
Absolutely. And maybe if we connect this to the bigger picture for everyone listening, next time it's raining, take a second, look around your own place, your home or business. How is the water moving? Where does it go? Does it collect anywhere? Does it flow away properly? Which brings up, I think, an important question to ponder. What's one simple spot around your property you should check just to make sure water is truly flowing away, not pooling up or seeping somewhere it really shouldn't be?